Hello lovely people, welcome back to Cooking with Efya. Today we are preparing something chilled, creamy and full of natural Ghanaian flavor. My homemade rice and tiger nut drink is rich with the aroma of grains of selim and cloves. Spice up with a little ginger and finish beautifully with condensed milk and vanilla essence. This drink is perfect for sunny afternoons or to impress your guests with something different and refreshing. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. We are starting with 2 cups of rice, tiger nut, grains of selim and cloves. Pour everything into a clean dry frying pan. Make sure you have no oil in the frying pan. Place the pan on medium-low heat and start to toast gently. Keep stirring slowly and continuously. What we are doing here is waking up all those flavors. The rice will develop a light nutty aroma. The tiger nuts will release their natural oils and the spices will give off that beautiful warm scent. Make sure the heat is not too high because burnt rice or burnt cloves will make your drink bitter and we don't want to experience that at all, so kindly note it. So we're going to toast this for about 5 to 10 minutes. You will see a slight golden color on some of the rice grains and you will smell that sweet roasted aroma filling your kitchen. That's how you know it's ready. Once everything is nicely toasted, remove it from the fire immediately and pour it into a tray or a plate to cool down completely. And also toasting the ingredients, that's a lot of things. It depends the flavor and gives the drink that cozy homemade aroma you can't get any other way. So we're going to toast until it's nice and ready. Remember not to burn it, it's very important. If today being your first time stopping by, hello, this is Cooking with Efya. Here I share easy and amazing recipes right here. So do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much. Alright, so now we are done. So we're going to transfer all the toasted ingredients into a clean bowl. And after that, we're going to add enough cold water to completely cover everything. So we're going to allow this to soak for about 2 to 3 hours. During this time, the rice will soften, the tiger nuts will plop up, and the spices will slowly release all their natural flavors into the water. Stir everything well. We're going to cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. By the end of 3 hours, the mixture will look slightly swollen and the water will look a bit cloudy and aromatic. That's how you know it's ready for the next step. Now it's time for us to wash it. Make sure to wash it very nicely. So I will use my hands to rub gently through it to remove any dirt or cloudy starch. You want the starch to run fairly clear. That helps your final drink come out smooth and clean. Make sure you wash well but gentle so you don't lose your flavors. After that, I'm going to transfer the washed mixture into a clean blender. Add a piece of fresh ginger for that spicy kick and a little cinnamon powder for that warmth. Kindly also feel free to add in any natural herbs or spice of your choice and you are good to go. Next, we're going to pour in enough clean water, just enough to cover everything so the bliss can move freely. We're going to blend until everything becomes smooth and creamy. It should look like a thick creamy paste. Now if your blender is small, do it in batches so everything blends evenly. Now grab a clean cheesecloth, a muslin cloth or a fine sieve, just the way you see it on your screens right now. Pour the blended mixture in small portion and strain carefully. Use your hands to squeeze out as much liquid as you can, or you can either use your spatula or any wooden spoon of your choice to squeeze out the juice from the chaff very well. So what you're collecting underneath is your rich, smooth rice tiger nut milk drink. That's the heart of this recipe. Now the chaff left inside the sieve can still hold some flavor. So if you like, you can add a little more water, mix and strain again to get every last drop. Once you are done, you'll be left with a silky, fragrant liquid that already smells like toasted rice and natural spice. Absolutely beautiful. Look at how creamy and perfect it looks already. I just love this drink. One thing about this drink is that this is my first time trying it, and trust me, my family was really amazed with the outcome and the taste. Trust me, it was so refreshing and it tastes so much like millet drink or Zomkom. You don't need to omit this. Trust me, try it, and I'll be very glad in the comment section to read all your amazing comments down below. Now for the fun part, combining everything and chilling it down. So in a clean bowl, I'll add some cubes, then pour in my condensed milk, about half a cup to start. Next, add a dash of vanilla essence for that sweet aroma. If you don't want to use condensed milk, feel free to use evaporated milk, and also you can add a little sugar to it to balance the taste for you if you think it's not perfect to your taste. Now slowly pour in your freshly strained rice drink and stir everything together with your spoon until it's perfectly combined and smooth. You will see the color turn creamy and very inviting. Taste and adjust to your liking. If you want it sweeter, add a little more condensed milk. If you prefer a lighter, add some cold water or a few more ice cubes. Give it a final stir. Make sure it's nicely chilled and you are ready to serve. I'll pour the drink into my glass, top it a few ice cubes, and enjoy every creamy spice sip. This is perfect for parties, after meals, or just when you want something refreshing and homemade. If you try this recipe, don't forget to share how it turned out. I love your recreations as well. Thank you for watching Cooking with Efya. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep sharing the Ghanaian flavor with the world. Bye.